Elogwinjoli mnandi masiphinde ke sipotise babukeli bethu ngoku ke singena kwi-yure yethu yesibini yenkqubo kwaye ke kuninzi esithe sakuchaphazela kwi-yure yokuqala kuquka ke umba wokuphendula kukamongameli epalamente sachaphazela mbukeli inkonzo yesikhumbuzo samajoni athe abhubha ngexesha lomlilo nokunye angumoya waba ungalala ngokuthula. Qhubeka ke mbukeli uhlale nathi ukuze uzivele nako konke ke esikuphathele kona namhlanje. Isendimlo ke ukholosa kalubisi umahlongoti.
Mbukeli sesingena ehoreni lethu ke lesibili manje kanti sesilishaya salivala ihora lethu lokuqala. Kusakuncaneke lokho sakubonile wembukeli ngoba lapho ohlelweni plus kuphathele ngisho nanomculo njengoba bese sishilo usazobona wena ukhuluma nabantu. Kunomunye ke obebhale ukuthi uma ngabe kunomuntu olethe CV emsebenzini wakho, call the manager and stop saying asiqashi. Uqasha abantu wena ngoba phela nawe uqashiwe, awume nje biza manager. Hayi cha ukhuluma kunabantu umbukeli njengamanje ke ake singene ehoreni lethu lesibili sibheke ihamba phambili.
President Ramaphosa calls for the immediate cessation of violence and the exercise of restraint.
Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa umemelele kunikezelwe ngeenkonzo zoncedo ezikhawulezileyo nezemiqathango eGaza.
Lutshani nginguleno sigusheshe lomhajo ikwekwezi FM emthonjeni 9 to 12. Siyakwamukela ehleleni elitsha likamabonakude lendaba ezinabileko Ekhaya Jikelele. Sikhamba nawe nomsebenzini uthinge esikolweni konke okuhloka kuyokuthola zamva nje siphuma phambili indaba siqahe ngezemidlalo ubujamo bezulu ukuthi na uphuma ekhaya wazi ukuthi umbathe njani. Konke okuhloka ngelimi oluzwisisako la ku SABC News.
Owayesakubanga umongameli womzantsi Afrika uThabo Mbeki ubeke ibala kwiqela le-ANC kokusilela ukuhlaziya noxa ke bebegqibile kwelo kwinkomfa yabo yangonyaka ka-2017. OkaMbeki bethula intetho yakhe intuthuzelo kwinkonzo yesikhumbuzo yeqala yomzabalazo yeliqela uAziz Pahat eUniversity of Johannesburg. Ukanti okaPahat ukwababazwe ngendima ayidlalileyo kumgaqo siseko wamazwe ngaphandle nendlela besombulula ngayo imicelimngeni yemiba yangaphandle. Ulishile eli libakade hlabayo eneminyaka e82 kwikhaya lakhe apha eRhawutini kwinyanga edlulileyo.
Amasosha akwa-Israel aqhubekile nokugadla eGaza, indawo yasePalestine ebingenawo ugesi kusukela ngoLwesithathu. Izikhulu zezempilo zithi bangama-45 abantu asebeshonile kulokhu kuhlaselwa osekudilize ibhilidi esifundeni saseJabalia. Lokhu kuhlaselwa kwa-Israel sekubulala abantu angaphezu kwe1,500 kusukela ngoMgqibelo. Elakwa-Israel ke mbukeli lithi lizoqhubeka nokuvimba imigwaqo futhi ngeke livulele ngisho nezinhlangano ezilethela abantu usizo ngaphandle uma iHamas engakhulula ke bonke abathunjiwe. Khona manje lokho umongameli uCyril Ramaphosa usenxusa ukuthi kuvule ngokusheshsha nangokungena bingindlela ke engena eGaza ukuze kuhanjiswe kusizo ebantwini abalidingayo.
Ingxwabangxwaba ngokujikeleze ukubisa kwenqanawe yaseRussia iLady R eSimonstown kunyaka ophelileyo iyaqhuba nokombatha umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa. Ephendula imibuzo kwibhunga lesizwe lamaphondo, umongameli ukwabuzwe ukuba ayingebi iyamfamekiswa na yingxelo ngokufanyanisela igqiza ebelichongelwe ukuphanda lomba. Umongameli Cyril Ramaphosa uphendule ngelithi akanasizathu sokulithandabuza eligqiza.
Umongameli welizwe uqinisekise lendlu kuba kukho umthetho ophulwayo ngokumisa ukaLady R eSimonstown. Ephendula imibuzo ngobundlobongela ngakumbi obucwangcisweyo nobukhetseba, umongameli uvakalise inxalabo ekuchaza oku njengomngeni omkhulu. Ukwaphenduliswe ngokusekwa kwamacandelo akhethekileyo okulwa ulwaphulo mthetho athembisa ngawo kwintetho ngobume besizwe ngo-2020.
We are going to continue bolstering the capability of these task teams. And much as I said, they've been allocated money. The money they've been allocated is still small. I'd like to see more money being allocated to them so that they become much more effective than they are.
I-Democratic Alliance ibuze ngokuchaneka kwengxelo yegqiza beliphanda ngenyawo ka-Lady R ngelithi ingathenjwana.
I have no reason whatsoever to believe the findings of the panel were irrational.
Mongameli usikhusele isigqibo sakhe sokungazidizi esidlangalaleni ingongoma ezithile zale ngxelo.
Those issues that have to deal with national security, I have decided to keep away from public scrutiny.
Umongameli ukwanike ingxelo ngenzame zikahulumente zokomeleza inkqubo zokukhuselwa kwamangqina. Amalungu eParlamente akwavakalise inkxalabo ngongcoliseko lomoya sisikhululo sezamandla ikusile esinikwe imvume yoko lisebe lezamahlathi ukuloba nokusingqongileyo. Ramaphosa uthi isizathu soko sihambelana nokukhawulelana nengxaki yocimicimi wombane kweli.
Mbukeli mama ngabe ulaphaya eThekwini lapha esifundazweni kwaZulu Natal hayi ubuka sengazuthi nje liyathi ukubalela kodwa liphinde liguqubale lokho kushintshana nje liphinde liphuma ilanga liphinde liguqubale ukushisa ke kulindeleke ukuthi kube between u17 degrees kanjalo kone 24 degrees kanti njengamanje basikhuluma nje kusawu 19 degrees lapha eThekwini ake sibheke nje isimo sezulu nakwezinye indawo ezifundazweni ezahlukahlukene lapha eNingizimu Afrika.
Enkosi kwakhona ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele kaloku apha ekhaya jikelele kwinkqubo-ndaba yakho SABC lihaye. Namhlanje ke ngolwesihlanu umhla we-16 ikwalusuku ke lwamaqanda lwezizwe ngezizwe i-Eggs Day ukutsho ke noba ngolwesihlanu wesibini ku-Oktoba. Umamodise Johanna Mutawungu umpheki ke owaziwayo kunye nomseki wevenkile yokutyela ehambayo ebizwa ngokuba yi-Design Date. Namhlanje ke usityelele apha kwinkqubo yethu uzosibonisa indlela apheka ngayo amaqanda. Mamodise, happy World Eggs Day. Siyakwamkela ekhaya jikelele.
Ngiyabonga. Thank you for having me again.
Enkosi kakhulu. Ngaphambi kokuba sihlabele mgama ndikhalela ukuva kuwe as uchef olusuku apho kuphawulwa khona amaqanda okanye i-World Eggs Day luthetha ukuthini kuwe njengompheki?
Kimi, it means that we can be so creative with eggs. There's so much that we can do, and because eggs are serving also as an important health benefit towards imizimba yetu. So it's very important, and also about it's that we can be so creative. I mean, amaqanda we grew up siwadla, whether be it boiled, whether ngepapa. So we can be so versatile now.
Yeah. And speaking of creativity, earlier on siyasaba nodliwano ndlebe nogqirha abongile esixelela ngokushokoxeka kwamaqanda ne high price ezivenkileni. Abantu bayakhala, ungena ku social media, abanye bade bathi hey nenkukhu indlela ezibehavior ngayo lately zisifilisa special. Ungathi mhlambe wena njengoko urana i-design dates, lento yamaqanda ye prices eziphezulu iye affecta njani?
Iya challenge kakhulu because now it means kumele ngifunane nezinye sources ukuthi ngize ngiwathola amaqanda. I mean even yesterday mangizo prepare for namhlanje I had to ukuthi ngiye enye mall engayijwayelanga ukuthi ngiye kuyo so that I'll be able to get amaqanda. So it affects kakhulu in terms of pricing yami in my business because I have to incorporate the price change to my mangzo quota umuntu clients for Elon for maba requester for catering services.
Yeah, so ibasisanga nawe njengomseki wevenkile you are affected. Nathi thina abantu bazawuxhasa ivenkile yakho sizoba affected because ngoku uzawufika ibreakfast ixabiso sele liphezulu. Ungathi mhlawumbe ezeziphi inkolelo ezikhona about amaqanda? Siyaqonda abana mhlawumbe ingakumbi ke kwi teenage girls kunenkolelo zoba mhlawumbe xa ngumntana utya amaqanda kuzawuthwanthwana. Ingaba mhlawumbe wena njengompheki zeziphi inkolelo ezikhoyo ngamaqanda kwaye singazibreaka njani ezingeyonyani?
Okay, mina especially mangikhula we were told ukuba as girls we're not supposed to eat amaqanda because affecta umzimba wethu in a certain way. Ayenza ukuba si develop ngendlela like enkulu. Yes, yeah. But ayikho lento le amaqanda it's very important source of diet to the very good, and also in terms of the people aba consumer amaqanda raw, which is also for health reasons it's not good because kune salmonella, which is a bacteria etholakalayo kumaqanda when you eating them raw. So but what I can encourage ukuba amaqanda a very good source of protein. Ayadingakala good diet, and into that I like now it's because they're also easy to prepare.
Definitely easy to prepare. Go to njena nini na. Eseqonda bana wake wasindwendwela alpha enkqubeni yethu ngaphambili usiphekela yayi wathi xa uhamba wonke umuntu apha studio wayemunca intupha. Kodwa ke namhlanje siyaqonda bana it's all about eggs. Ungasibonisa nje ubonise nababukeli bethu what you have prepared because you also spoke about creativity. Siyaqonda bana kweli xesha likaxakeka uze nendlela ezi creative umuntu angapheka ngawo amaqanda kodwa in a cost effective way. Singafuna msiqale phaphambili into ba into nothe wasilungiselela yona.
Okay, ngapha ngenze scrambled eggs which we'll be serving with ipap ne gravy. We can also have lamaqanda with croissants, kune mushrooms, kune cheese, there's a bacon.
Ute ipapa like ipapa?
Ipapa, but okay. I've added a bit of a twist to ipapa.
Okay.
It's like so le pap uyayibona nine a bit of greenish in it. So what I did ngifake green pepper kule pap, a bit of aromat and a bit of butter ukuthi lithambe. Yes, and then I've also prepared tomato gravy to go with ipap.
Uyenze njani tomato gravy because abantu abaninzi bayathanda into bana especially xa uzothi wenze ipapa kube nento eseqaleni le oyichoy bana tomato gravy. Uyenze njani? Ela usivulele yona chef.
Okay.
Uyenze njani umixe?
So ngithathe onion ngayidice. Ngiyenze ukuthi ibe like very fine.
Okay.
And then ngathatha nama tomatoes are chopped, very ripe tomatoes. And then ngathela a bit of sugar because tomato it tends to have that sourness.
Taste.
Yes. And what I did, I've also added herbs, thyme. I've also added a bit of parsley, and then a bit of salt. And a bit of beef stock, ukuthi ibe ne tswai. Okay. And then I let it cook for isikhathi eside so that the tomatoes are abe evenly cooked. Yes.
I see on the side we have boiled eggs. Wenze njani la boiled because I like creativity.
Okay, so on the boiled eggs, boilile, bese mase avuthiwe, I cut the eggs in half, and then keep the egg yolk, and then kunalawa are mixed with.
Oh, you took out the egg yolk.
Yes.
Okay, so now mhlawumbe ungakwazi ukuba uyisave for
Yes.
something else.
Yes, because if ungafuna ukuthi uwayenze kanje, mhlambe ungawafaka esinkweni sakho with i-evo, or mhlambe uthathe icanda liphelele on top of i-sandwich yakho, the way uyifuna ngakhona. But what I did, I took the egg yolks, kunalawa ahlanganiswe with mayonnaise,
Yes.
ne Dijon mustard, and then there's also bits of bacon, and then ne jalapeno, and cheese. Bese enye, it's a bit of tomato sauce, mayonnaise, a bit of dill, and also what's this?
Mayonnaise.
Tabasco kancane.
Tabasco kancane.
Yes.
Okay. Siyaqonda ke ngoku mhlambe njengoko siye sathetha earlier on bana sinale ingxaki yamaqanda. Ingaba mhlambe ikhona enye into umuntu azawuthi not replacing but azame nje into bana okay instead of amaqanda mandenze leni into. Ingaba ikhona enye into engahambelana to sort of replace amaqanda? Umuntu angaba nayo for breakfast or for lunch instead ba athi qanda.
Okay, there are lots of sauces that one can do to replace the eggs with. Sorry, ungasebenzisa avocado. Ama seeds are also very good. Ama chai seeds are a very good source of protein, as well as your flexi seeds. They're also good for protein. And then another replacement that one can do is chickpeas, which is mainly ideal for lunch because you can do salads ngazo. Yes.
And for abantu abathi jonga siyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho. I know you've been here on the show before. Abathi siyawuthanda umsebenzi wakho, siyafuna into mana usindwendwele ufumaneka aphi. You can just share your contact information.
Okay, you can catch me on Facebook as Design Dates.
Siyabulela kakhulu and happy World Eggs Day.
Thank you.
Hayi ke mbukeli wami ndiyathemba into yokubana nizivele nawe apho ekhaya njengoko ke sibuyezela usuku apho ke siqaphela amaqanda from ekuphekeni mbukeli siphinde sikuphekele kaloku sikuphe ucwambu lomculo oluzawuchukumisa ingcamvu yenhliziyo yakho. Ngoko mbukeli sisusa intambo sisizisa pha kuziphora ozosinikeza umculo. The stage is yours.
Let us pray for our leaders. Let us pray for our country.
Sokhalela kupina. Sokhalela kupina. For those we have trusted to lead us have failed us. Those we have trusted to lead us have failed us. Sokhalela kupina. Sokhalela kupina. For those we have trusted to lead us have failed us. Oh, those we have trusted to lead us have failed us. But I get bayafana naba. trusted to lead us have failed us, have failed us. Those we have trusted to lead us have failed us. But akekho ngcono bayafana laba. Oh, but akekho ngcono bayafana laba. Oh, those we've trusted to lead us have failed us, have failed us. Those we have trusted to lead us have failed us. So balekela phina, so khalela phina, sizwa uba hanina, senzeni na, so balekela. Siphinde sikwamukele ke mbukeli lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonge kakhulu ukuthi usahlanganyele kanye nathi kusukela ngehora lesithupha namanje usasenathi. Mbukeli siyayibongela. Namhlanje ke esigabeni sethu sama careers sibhekisisa umlingisi osakhula uSazi Maqoqa oneminyaka engamashumi 42 ubudala. uSazi ke mbukeli wazalelwa esifundazweni Eastern Cape eGcuwa, wakhulela khona ke wafunda kho eKapa. Ngonyaka ke u2002 wabeke sefudukela esifundazweni iGauteng, nalapho ke abe selandela khona italent lakhe lokuba ngumculi. Sixoxisana naye ke njengamanje lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Sazi asikubingele sikamukele lapha ekhaya Jikelele. Sibonga kakhulu kuba nawe namhlanje.
Ngolo sisifana.
Hayi ke konke kuhamba kahle, u-right, u-grand, u-flexile?
Konke kuhamba kahle.
Sazi ngiyabona lapha noma ngabe ngifunda ibio yakho ukuthi ngonyaka u2002 wafuduka weza la eGoli. Mhlawumbe awungichazela izathu ukuthi yini eyenza ukuthi ubone ukuthi ngcono ufudukele ngapha eGoli ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi ufezekise amaphupho akho.
Enyanisweni sisiwami italente alikho kwezindawo. So ngelo xesha italente laligcwele apha eGoli. So kwabanzima ngoba ngangifuna ukucula ndingayazi ukuthi ndenze kanjani, but ngaba ndaphetha ndithola inumbers zika the late uVuyo Mkwena. So ndafonela yena wabe sesithi mandenze idemo, ndabe ngelo xesha ngingazi idemo ukuthi into enjani. Ya ekwenzeni kwami idemo xa sendiphinda ndifona ndimfonela back uButvuyo ifona ayisangeni.
Eish.
So ngatraya khona back apho ndandithola khona eza number zakhe. Lapho ke ndathola inumber zika Babujabu Hlongwana, Babujabu wathi mandicule over the phone.
How?
So ngelo xesha kwakusasetshenziswa ama-container i-line xa uyofowuna ama-public phone so ngacula wabe sesithi okay sazi ivoice yakhe right kodwa sinokwazi usebenzisana usi-Cape Town thina seJoburg so ize Joburg so ndeza lo hlobo ke Joburg but ngelishwa xa sendifika eJoburg azange sabonana.
How?
Yes endikhona eJoburg and eJoburg kwakho kwamntu endandimazi ngalala ePark Station ngalala eThaveli cause ndangena ndawo nzoya kuyo ndandiqala ukuze eJoburg.
So wagcina ke wenze njani ngoba phela ngiyazi ukuthi wabuyele kaphi noma lokho wahlala lokho?
Ndazixela ukuthi ngeke ndibuyele back eCape Town ndizohlala la eJoburg ngoba vele ndandizawuhleka xa ndibuyela back eKapa kodwa ufailile. So nganyamezela but ndaye ndaphumelela ke ekugcineni ndazothola the late uSifiso Ncwane.
Cha kodwa unenhlanhla ke ama contacts. Wathola abantu abaphezulu.
Ndanizama kakhulu. So kulapho ke waye one producer my first album eyayisithi Ungcwele uThixo.
Yenza kanjani ke yona lo album eyitolo?
Yazama nangona ke ndandisafufuka ngisakhula ngoba kubanzima xa usakhula yabo and ngelo xesha ngendabe kungekho inkampani ndandizipromothela ngokunokwami ndincediswa nguye.
Manje ke ngiyazi ukuthi ke umlingisi futhi manje ngifuna ukunderstand ukuthi ake wafika release album noSifiso Ncwane usofika kanjani ke manje ekutheni wena usufuna ukuba i-actor?
I-album sayirelease 2004 and then 2007 ndeza la SABC ngafika kusenziwa ama-audition kwicala lezendaba ndangena phakathi ndiyenze audition esiXhosa ndenze audition and then ukwenza kwami audition babe sebesithi ndibuze ukuthi xa ndifuna another audition ngenza kanjani bathi bandijoyine agent. So kulapho khona ke ndajoyina agent ndifuna uba ipresenter but ngelishwa agent endayijoyinayo yavele yandiselector kwi-movie eyayishutelwa eSun City eKashari Steron.
Charlize Theron o-Arkan?
Yes. So kulapho ke ngoku kwaqala khona ukhona lwami le-acting and akabuya after sivele shoota lo movie sendifonela ukuthi okay bandiselectile kwi-role kaMr Bones 2. So the role ke leyo ke ndabona khona okay kuthi ukuthi I'm an actor mos.
So ke i-role le makuthiwa uMr Bones ushule kaLeon Schuster.
kaLeon Schuster yes kulapho ndafeature khona ke lo role so lo role iyona ke yandiphakamisayo at least noba sendisiya kwamanye ama-audition nama-director so hayi man sike sakubona yes.
So ungathi kubaluleke kangakanani mhlawumbe mangabe usayi angazi ukuthi indaba ye-agent idingeka kakhulu mhlawumbe uma usaqala noma uyayidinga nje throughout your career as an actor ukuthi kubaluleke kangakanani ukuthi ube ne-agent?
Iyadingeka yona even noba uqale ngoba sometimes abakhona ama-audition oya kuwo and then xa usiya kuyo without i-agent bayakujikisa because i-audition leyo kuselectwe abantu from the agent. Yes so xa ungenayo ke ngoku agent awukhona ukuthi ungathola even ama-audition.
Ngiyazi ukuthi khona ke omunye umdlalo ke wavela kuwo udlala iphathi yokuba isangoma kanti futhi siyazi ukuthi umKristu ngapha mhlawumbe lokho akuzange nikwenza ukuthi abantu abakwazi njengomKristu oshisayo ikakhulukazi waphela nawo ubu-release ama-album egospel njalo bese bekuyamanisa bese bebuka behluleke ukuhlukanisa ukuthi la uyalingisa.
Ikhe yabanzima kakhulu ngoba ndiyakhumbula ndiposta isithombe sa behind the scene xa ndisiposta ndathola amakhoza amaninji ukuthi hayibo and then it's real you are sangoma and ndithi ngekaphendula ukuthi why sibuza because of manje abazalwana abaninji sebejikile bangena kwicala lobungoma so usisangoma nyani but no I'm not sangoma but yabanzima sometimes because nabanye befundisi besithi xa beshumayela ezinkonzweni abazalwane beza nemimoya yobungoma yabona abanye ba-understand i-acting ukuthi yini i-acting.
Yes manje ungathini mhlawumbe emntini ofuna ukuba umlingisi yimaphi mhlawumbe amakhono kumele ukuthi abe nawo ukuze ezokwazi ukuthi aphumelele kule industry yoku-actor?
Enyanisweni mna ndingene kwi-acting ndingenayo even i-qualification just kujoyina i-agent and then nokuyenza lento yabona xa ikuwe yes uyakhona ukuthi uyenze even ungenayo i-qualification.
So ke manje ngiyazi ukuthi ena sazi le industry of actor I tricky ngoba uthola ukuthi njengoba usho na ukuthi wafika wathola irole ka Mr Bones. Uthola ukuthi mhlawumbe kuphela u6 months noma 8 months awusayithola enye irole ikuthulekile. Manje kuphilwa kanjani unga advise uthini abanye mhlawumbe ababalingisi ukuthi wenze njani ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi uphile noma ingekho ngaleso sikhathi irole oyidlalayo noma kungekho idrama or iseries ovela kuyo ngaleso sikhathi.
Yeah, it's true siswami. Enyanisweni iyaphela sometimes even noma 8 months uhleli kungekho gig oyitholayo. Kuyafuneka ukuthi ube nento at least ekuncedisayo. So that ungahleleleki ngaphandle. Mhlambe some business so that ikwazi ukungenisela imali.
So ke ungathini ke iziphi imidlalo mhlawumbe singakubheka kuyo ke going forward noma kuyo ama future projects osafisa mhlawumbe noma ukusebenza kwa ama productions?
Disavela ku the wife. Yes, iseyiyo okwangoku ikhona nenye sezawuphuma bathi isinqumo sami. Yes.
So enjoy ukwenza kuphi mhlawumbe like ama characters kanjani imaphi nje ama characters ongathi yabona mangabe ngisuke ngenza le character I'm in my element ngiyazizwa nami ukuthi ayichanya lingiso wangampela.
Xa uyi-actor wenza any character.
Kuthiwa uversatile.
Because even ngoku like andiphuzi andiseli utywala but xa ndinikwa the role yokudakwa ndiba sisidakwa waya ngodingaseliyo utywala. And abanye bathi bamangala uba uyenza kanjani le role kodwa awuzange ufake even uyazi taste yotywala but xa usesetini wenza any role oyinikwayo.
So ungathi yini mhlawumbe enza ukuthi uma ngabe uyi good actor ukwazi ukuthi portray different roles uma ngabe mhlawumbe kuthiwa nje obusha nawo ubala le role yokuba isidakwa mhlawumbe yini into yenza ipreparation ukuze ngoba phela into ongayazi awuna experience yayo so does it mean ukuthi mhlawumbe uzohamba ulandela isidakwa ukusibheka lapho actor kanjani ulokhu ushaya research yakho ukuthi oh mangabe sikhuluma kanje wenze njani ukulungiselela ama role njengalawo?
No, awulandeli isidakwa wenza lento ikwi-script sakho. Yes. Uba ithi dakwa uzawudakwa uba like le yesangoma azange ndibe sangoma and andizazi ama qualification esangoma but ngiyayenza i role yesangoma.
Wayishaya futhi.
Ndayishaya futhi.
Hayi cha ke futhi sazi siyabonga kakhulu sikufisela inhlanhla nje kuzo zonke into ozenza engathi nje ungathi uma kuma auditions kuthiwa nje yes uthi ungena kule audition kuthiwe yes.
Exactly.
Manje ke athina ama socials abantu mabefuna mhlawumbe ukucheck umsebenzi wakho.
Bangandichecka ku Facebook Sazi Maqoqa, ku Twitter Sazi Maqoqa, ku Instagram Sazi Maqoqa.
Siyabonga kakhulu ke Sazi Maqoqa ngesikhathi sakho wena usikolo.
Ngiyabulela kakhulu siswami.
Umbukelekelo wabesixoxa naye ke uSazi Maqoqa ongumlingisi ubesibeka nje sithombeni sokuthi kusho ukuthini kuba umlingisi iziphi izinto okufuneka uzenze ukuze uzoba umlingisi oqavile. Okwamanje ke mbukelisi nje ke qunga seyitolo mangabe sibuya siyabuya ke usase khona njalo uzipholo ngomculo ungalingeke uphuthela.
Enkosi ngokuhlala nathi nisasibukele apha ekhaya Jikelele. Uziphora Msiza ligcisa laseThemba eHammanskraal. Lemvumi ke inesandi somculo esidibanisa ijazz, iafro jazz, isoul, ihip hop kunye nevangeli. Uziphora ke yimvumi eyazifundisayo umculo neyenza kakuhle kakhulu kwelishishini lomculo. Kutshanje ke uphumelele iwonga le demo representation kwimoshito kanyaka ka2022. Ukuzivela ngokutevetshe ngoku setha naye ke uZiphora unathi apha e-studio. Ziphora.
Sisi unjani?
Ndiyaphila Nkosi njani wena? Inkosi kakhulu ngokuba ube nathi kwaye ke ingoma yakho yasekuqaleni ibimnandi kakhulu siyabulela ekhaya.
Bonga mina sisi.
Ziphora ka usithathe wethu usibeke kuhamba lokho lomculo. Ungathi mhlambe intoni yakukhuthaza uba ungene kwelicandelo?
Intshisakalo passion. Ngikhule esontweni umama naye bakacula so umculo is part of me, it's part of my life and my upbringing. So kwaba nesikhathi la vele ngishiseka kakhulu and ngadecide ukuthi no ngihambe kule ndlela yomculo.
Yes. Amazing. Siyabulela nakubantu abathe baphenjelela lo mculo wakho. Kwaye uyathi into bana ezinye zezinto ezi-influence umculo wakho, i-afro pop, i-jazz ikhona, i-hip hop ikhona. Ungathi mhlawumbe kwezi genres zihlukileyo zicontribute kanjani kumculo wakho?
Zicontribute ngoba umculo ngolalelayo. So ngilalela i-jazz, ngilalela i-hip hop, ngikhuliswa ugogo besilalela igospel or Rebecca Malope, so basikhulisile. So ngaleyo ndlela obviously sengikhulile manje, that has an influence in my music. Yes.
Uye waba inxalenye ye Dare to Dream movement. Wazibona soseleqongeni kwi theater. Ungathi yonke lonto ikuphucule njani umsebenzi wakho?
Iphucule kakhulu ngoba ngikwazile ukufunda nge-theater, performing live, abantu bakubhekile, and also from a small town, yazi sifunde okukhulu, dancing, bengathembi ukuthi ngadance, but I found myself dancing and doing very well there, and acting as well.
So kusho ukuthi jonga uthi ngapha ube ngapha uyacula uya-actor, which is truly amazing. Kwaye ke uzibhaqile usemitshatweni yabantu abadumileyo bafana noTelesmo baculela nabanye abantu abaninzi esingatsho into yobana bakwinqwanqwa eliphezulu. Can you share some of your memorable experiences njengoko ubuperforma kwezi ndawo?
I think, okay, ukuperforma for Telesmo was because then I was very young and so ukuperform emshadweni wakhe was a true blessing, and also kungikhombile ukuthi uNkulunkulu is able to really push me and put me to greater heights. So, and also ukuthola feedback from abantu obaperformelayo, whether be it umshado or party, is really fulfilling. Nje kugqwalisa umoya wami ngenjabulo ukubona abantu bajabulela into engiyenzayo. Yeah.
Uye wakhwetha nakwinkqubo ye-digital yesebe lezemidlalo, Department of Sports. That is a great achievement. And siyaqonda ngokwindlela mhlambe umculo o-evolve ngayo, siyabona into yobana abantu bayakwazi ngokukuthenga kwi-digital stores. Akusafani nakudala apho uzawufumana icwecwe okanye i-CD. Ungathi mhlambe into yokubana ukhethwe lisebe eliphezulu kangaka digitally, iye yawuphucula njani umculo wakho okanye yawukunceda njani into yobana uzipromote digitally?
Okay, so incede kakhulu siswami ngoba ngifunde ngoba kunama workshops, so basifundisa ukuthi how do you market yourself as an independent artist, and also ukuthi lo mculo lo ufaka kanjani ku digital platforms uyayibona, and ubani ongcono kunomunye, so awenzi izinto nje njengoba uthanda, but bakufundisa the right way to do things, basifundise the right way to do things. Yes.
Moshido Demo Presentation 2022 yangena yathi wala kahla.
Yebo, ngangena.
Yes girl, uyasebenza ntombi.
Ngiyasebenza, yeah.
Khawusixelele banzi ngayo nangendlela mhlambe owaziva ngayo, because I mean it's a great achievement also.
It is yo azange ngikholwe, because as an independent artist yo angeke ngithi kulula. Kunzima kakhulu, so this gave me hope. Winning this competition really gave me hope. Ivulele loya mnyango ngabona ilight ukuthi kahle kahle I'm on the right path. So it really ingishintshile kakhulu, ishintsha impilo yami kakhulu ngoba manje sengila having this interview solely bengeke ngifike mhlawumbe, but here I am because ngeni competition. Yes.
And through it all, sendisho siyaqonda njengoba usithi into yobana indlela ibingekho lula, there were ups and downs, but uye wabambelela. Ungathi mhlambe kuwe as a musician, a self-taught musician, intoni eyayakwenza ube grounded in the music industry? Kuba siyaqonda into yobana akho lula, mininzi imiceli mngeni abantu abajamelana nayo, and also just to inspire abantu abathi siyafuna ungena thina kwelicandelo lomculo qha asazi into yoba mhlambe singene njani, omnye angene adume, but I think the trick is to remain consistent, ungadumi nje kuphela. Khawabelana nababukeli bethu amazwi nje enkuthazo.
Okay, so mina ngathi surround yourself nabantu abazokufundisa. Like ungangeni ku-industry, with the music industry ukuthi udume kuphela, but wanna learn the business. Meluwazi as an artist the business side ukuthi kusebenza njani, and uzisondeze ebantwini abazokunikeza leyo information. Uyayibona ngoba akusilula vela, abantu bayarojwa abantu, so kumele nje nawe the passion must just be too much ukuthi usebenze kanzima and do your research.
Yeah. Abantu xa bekufuna bakufumana beqomba jonga i-bookings simfuna apha lo girl.
Okay, at Zipora Msiza, ZIPHORA Msiza MSIZA at on Instagram, on Facebook, and TikTok Zipporah Msiza.
Sakujuweta ke pha ku TikTok.
Ngijuwetheni please.
Zipporah, enkosi kakhulu ngokuba usindwendwele Ekhaya Jikelele, sikubonela okuhle kodwa in your music industry. Siyathemba into yobana sakubona unominatwa nakwi-awards ezinkulu esizibona apha eMzantsi Afrika. It's coming.
I receive nyabonga sis.
Enkosi kakhulu. Right, imbukeli Ekhaya Jikelele, uyaqonda kaloku into yokubana siyathanda ukuqaqambisa izakhono zenu. Ndithetha kaloku ngemvumi, amagcisa, dibala ntoni na. Usabukele ke inkqubo yakho oyithanda kunene Ekhaya Jikelele. Kunjalo nje sesiyiqukumbele ke iyure yethu yesibini, kanti ngoku singena kwiyure yethu apho sizayiqumbukela khona ke indaba zethu.